Katayo le kemen ki samla pule jong ka Nongstoin College ka bala tip kum ka college week arajar kat khandai ka bala sedang nadu ka sengi tho deng jong ka tayo bala dap layo ban penkut no henen ka sengi ka arab santrik ka sengi tho deng wat hapdang ka jing ter jong laba bajur ha ka tek sengi penkut layo ban penlongi program jing ile kai bo pher bakan thop igi jing ruai jing shat bat kum juru igi jing yakob mes bat master Nongstoin College arajar kat khandai ha ka ba ibala hun shisha kharbani bapule ka class 12 ila shajet ban long ku bi thai babriu ho ka Nongstoin College Karbaya kana Mr. Nongstoin College la job du samla John Wilson Kharbani bapule ka BSc first semester. Haka jinge lekman penkut yakane ka tayo ka bala penlong hapo plau jong ka college lai don langru uba OT Lingwa District Water and Soil Conservation Officer ubala shimru ika benta kum ukongsan haringkat ka jinge don lang ka principal jong Nongstoin College ka Dr. Aimo Tho kinohikai ki samla pule bat kiwe haba ajing kran haka tega singi na kalyang jong ukongsan uba OT Lingwa ulong baka jing em haka perthai kadai ka jing em ka bayak saj ban laj em nre ban laj na kita ki aka kam dai e tang ka jing pule ka bala ban pen em yu breu pen ban don kam ban pen kam hok e ka sap ka phong la ka long ha ka put ka tem karwai ka siau la ne ka no ru khnang ba ula ne ka breu kila ban kershan daladi kongsan ulayo ru ban pen ha be kalama jong ka ne jing lekman
in this present generation there are many temptations in our life ask the students of the college. You can be the example for everyone within your college. Studies you are pursuing in the different fields. Future is in your hands. You should learn all of that. The college week is one part of learning, one part of interaction in the day-to-day life, and it gives also the chance so that you can express your talent, you can showcase what you can do, what you can show some changes apart from the daily learning in the classes and in the laboratory.
Almost seldom was a junior, with talent and shining over evil. Right from the start, you were a teenage, you stole my heart, and I gave birth no victim. Let you see the parts of me that were all that pretty, and then think that you fixed them. Now you've been talking in your sleep, oh, things you never say to me. Tell me that you had a light on stars, things from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Nobody can save my place. I'll be alive, I'm just a
like to be a successful person or a good person? Why? To be first of all, you have to be good, and then you come step by step. You have to be good to others. You have to show your kindness to others and respect others, and don't show bad manners children who want everything in your life. You should be courage, kindness, and to be proud of ourselves who we are. Thank you.
Thank you.
Prizes to these winners. Second prize, Vivian Salma of BA fifth semester. Third prize, third semester. In the skip competition, we have
I request some instructors to play music.
Question number 2, Ronald Sosha. Congratulations. Please welcome. Congratulations.
Hai sini mo.
Congratulations. Well, anyway, congratulations to the boys.